Hello guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekon Israel, your Prepclass English tutor, and I am super excited to have you join me in today's session of learning. Now in today's session, we will be answering questions 36 to question 40 from the Jamb English 2013 past question. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming Jamb examination. So, without further ado, take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the post notification so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's begin. Now for questions 36 to 40, there is an instruction here. In each of the questions 36 to 40, select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence. In each of the questions 36 to 40, select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence. Question 36 reads, the team's poor performance at the tournament plumbed the depths of horror. The team's poor performance at the tournament plumbed the depths of horror. Option A, the team's performance was enjoyed by all. Option B, the team's performance was full of disappointment. Option C, the team's performance was rewarded. Option D, the team's performance took them to the next level. So which of these options is the best to explain the information conveyed in this sentence? The team's poor performance at the tournament plumbed the depths of horror. Now the expression plumb the depths of horror means to reach the extremes of evil or unhappiness. When we make use of the expression plumb the depths of horror, it means to reach the extremes of evil or unhappiness. Now, if someone's behavior plumbs the depths, it is extremely bad. That is, the team's poor performance was extremely bad. If someone plumbs the depths of an unpleasant or difficult situation or emotion, they experience it to an extreme degree. So in this sentence, the team's performance plumbed the depths of horror. This means their performance was very bad. So the answer to this question is option B. The team's performance was full of disappointment. Right. Moving on to the next question, question 37. Remember we had to select the option that best explains the information conveyed in this sentence. Question 37 reads, Tolu and Chinedu live in each other's pocket. Tolu and Chinedu live in each other's pocket. So which of these options explains best the information conveyed in this sentence? Option A, they steal from each other. Option B, they blackmail each other. Option C, they are close to each other. Option D, they are long-term business partners. Now, if two people are in each other's pocket, they are too close to each other. Or spend too much time with each other. They live together, work together, and socialize together. So if anything is in your pocket, it is actually close to you. So saying Tolu and Chinedu live in each other's pockets means that they are close to each other. Right. Moving on to the next question, question 38. Remember we had to select the option that best explains the information conveyed in this sentence. Question 38 reads, as the drama unfolded, Olatinuke was advised to keep her shirt on. As the drama unfolded, Olatinuke was advised to keep her shirt on. Option A, she was advised to commit herself. Option B, she was advised to stay calm. Option C, she was advised to join the club. Option D, she was advised to wear her shirt. Was Olatinuke putting on her shirt, or was she advised to put on the shirt? So which of these options explains best the information conveyed in this sentence? As the drama unfolded, Olatinuke was advised to keep her shirt on. Now, when we ask someone to keep their shirt on, we simply mean they should stay calm. Be patient, not give way to temper or excitement. So as the drama unfolded, Olatinuke was advised to keep her shirt on. This means that she was advised to stay calm. Regardless of whatever is happening, she should stay calm. She should not get angry yet. She should watch as things unfolded. Alright, moving on, question 39. Remember we had to select the option that explains best the information conveyed in this sentence. Question 39 reads, he is a clinging child. He is a clinging child. Option A, he is possessive. Option B, he is like cling with his sister. Option C, he is a bully. Option D, he is a handsome young man. So which of these options explains best the information conveyed in this sentence? Now, a clinging child is a possessive child. There are some children that they don't want somebody else to carry them apart from their parents. That's a clinging child. It's a possessive child. Clinginess refers to a child who has a strong emotional or behavioral reaction to being separated from their parents. Some children, if you want to take them away from either the mother or the father, they just start crying. These are clinging children. A child that does not want to be separated from their parents, he is a clinging child, means that he is a possessive child. He is possessive. Always wants to be in the care of his mother or the father. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 40. Remember, we asked select the option that best explains the information conveyed in this sentence. Question 40 reads, Zinana's examination result was not unfavorable. Zinana's examination result was not unfavorable. Option A, her examination did not meet her expectation. Option B, she was successful in her examination. Option C, her results could not earn her admission. Option D, she failed her examination. So which of these options explains best the information conveyed in this sentence? Zinana's examination result was not unfavorable. Now, the key words in this sentence is not unfavorable. Not unfavorable. Now, when we say something is unfavorable, it reduces the chances of success. It reduces the chances of success. So, saying Zinana's examination result was not unfavorable means that the results were favorable. Because we have two negators here, not and on. So when we have two negators, it means what? The sentence or the word is in the positive. So saying Zinana's examination result was not unfavorable means that the results were favorable. It was not unfavorable. That is, our results were advantageous, to her advantage. She was successful. They were not unfavorable. That means they were favorable. The answer is option C. She was successful in her examination. Zinana's examination result was not unfavorable means that she was successful in her examination. Alright, and with that we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also, share this content with your friends and loved ones. You can as well check us out on WhatsApp. Check for the link to our WhatsApp group in the description of this video. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of